how to fix Bluetooth and Wi-Fi not working on Samsung phone. So if your Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth isn't working on your Samsung Galaxy device, it's actually quite very simple to solve them. Now what you can simply try to do is, if you're opening up settings, let's say your Wi-Fi isn't working as well as your Bluetooth also isn't working, what are some of the reasons that could be happening? First of all, you can simply open up settings, then just go to the option called General Management on your Samsung device. From here, simply go to Reset, then simply scroll down, select Reset All Settings. Now it will not erase your data, do not worry. Just tap on Reset All Settings, tap on Reset and enter your PIN and confirm it, and reset only your settings, right? So like that, your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth should start working fine. Sometimes you can also simply try to give it a simple restart. So restart your Samsung Galaxy device and check if that helps you. You can also try to check if there is a software update. So if you have been somehow able to connect to the internet, if there is a software update, make sure you update it, and that should most likely help you solve the problem. This way you can hopefully solve Bluetooth and Wi-Fi not working on Samsung. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.